Hello everyone. Welcome to issue 63 of our weekly report. Today, I will share how FF is upgrading its robotics strategy from the 3-in-1 ecosystem strategy to the 4-core full-stack AI ecosystem strategy, as well as our third-quarter robotics practical deployment campaign to turn this ecosystem into real-world utility and sustained value. But before that, I would first like to share a piece of positive news on the capital front and a user story from FF's education robotics business. This week, the company canceled an additional 5.36 million warrants, bringing the total number canceled since the end of 2025 to nearly 50 million. This has significantly reduced the potential dilution associated with the warrant overhang and substantially strengthened the company's capital structure. At the same time, the company revised the closing structure of the financing entered into last July, eliminating the issuance of the vast majority of warrants previously associated with subsequent closings while accelerating the receipt of financing proceeds. Together, these two actions reflect investors' strong and continued support for and confidence in the company's strategy and business. Let me also share a meaningful story about an FF education robot and a young user. A mother enrolled her son, who had never been particularly interested in studying, in a summer program at Sequoia Education. The family was scheduled to leave on the trip as soon as the program ended. During the program, the boy was introduced to AI programming and robotics through FX Navi for the first time, and he was completely captivated. When it was time for the family to leave for their trip, he burst into tears and did not want to go. All he wanted was to stay and continue learning with Navi. In the end, his mother bought him a Navi, and only then was the family able to set off on their trip. Children are not unwilling to learn. They simply need the right entry point, one that can spark their curiosity and unlock their creativity. As the pioneer and mass adoption driver in the EAI robotics education ecosystem, FF has created entry points for both B2B and B2C markets, establishing a fast track into the EAI era. This is exactly why FF set out to build this ecosystem in the first place. Next, I would like to introduce our Q3 robotics practical deployment campaign for the 4-core full-stack AI ecosystem strategy. Based on the company's 5 new transformations, we have broken the overall campaign down into 6 sub-campaigns. Given the time today, I will first cover the strategic upgrade sub-campaign, followed by a preview of the user ecosystem sub-campaign and the sales ramp-up sub-campaign. Let me begin with the strategic upgrade sub-campaign. Building on our existing 3-in-1 strategy, we have introduced the Industry Productivity Solutions strategy, formally upgrading FF's robotics strategy to the FF EAI 4-core full-stack AI ecosystem strategy. The 4 cores are 1. EAI Brain, 2. EAI Devices, 3. Industry Productivity Solutions and Developer Platform, 4. EAI Data Factory. The Industry Productivity Solutions strategy will initially focus on 4 major market segments: education, industrial applications, security and inspection, and other existing markets. We will accelerate development and delivery of complete solutions tailored to the distinct real-world needs of each industry. This upgrade is highly significant. It marks a shift from the standalone capabilities of individual robot devices to the comprehensive system capabilities needed to deliver industry productivity solutions. It will accelerate the transformation of FF robots into practical, value-creating solutions for real-world use cases, strengthen the company's business performance and ability to generate sustainable returns, maximize value for users and customers, and systematically advance the transformation of the U.S. robotics industry. There are 2 key reasons behind this strategic upgrade. First, necessity. At this stage, industry solutions are essential to making robots truly useful and valuable in real-world applications. This is especially true in the B2B market, where scaled deployment requires more than EAI devices and the EAI brain. It also requires complete productivity solutions built around specific industry pain points, solutions that can be customized, delivered, replicated, and scaled. Second, feasibility. The initial lineup of the full-form FFAI robot world is now complete, with 6 EAI device series covering most major industry use cases. We have also made solid initial progress in the development of the EAI brain and our VLA Plus world model, established the initial foundations of a closed-loop data commercialization model, and continued to build capabilities across the developer platform and solutions for multiple use cases. In other words, the technology, product, and ecosystem foundations required for this upgrade are now largely in place, giving us a solid base to accelerate real-world commercialization and deployment. Next, a preview of the user ecosystem and sales ramp-up sub-campaigns. One of the most important goals of the Q3
Robotics Practical Deployment campaign
remains the rapid ramp-up of sales and deliveries. This will help us achieve our full-year shipment target of 2,000 units while laying a solid foundation for a major business ramp-up in Q4 and next year. User engagement and operations at scale will be equally important. In Q3, we plan to launch the inaugural FFAI Robot Productivity Challenge using a competition format to showcase and promote how users and customers are engaging with FF robots and putting them to work across real-world applications. The event will provide a comprehensive demonstration of the practicality and effectiveness of our robots across a wide range of real-world use cases. The Q3 campaign is now in full swing, and we have every confidence in our team's ability to deliver. Next week, I will continue sharing updates on the remaining sub-campaigns. See you next week.